Tennessee Governor Bill Lee has signed legislation that provides support to foster and adoptive families and speeds up the family placement process.
10 News reporter Mary Klingler sat down with a foster mom, and Mary, she closed her home blaming problems with the state system.
John, that's right. Yeah, this mom decided to stop fostering kids in part because they couldn't get enough mental or behavioral health services. Now, most important to her, she had no voice in the courtroom, and this new legislation should change that.
After what I said, I don't know how she ended up back with her biological dad.
It's an unimaginable crime.
In the eyes of the law, I think things could have been a lot different for Angel.
Back in October, 12-year-old Angel Ahern's father shot and killed her before he turned the gun on himself.
I miss her, and there's not a day that goes by that I don't think about her.
After reported domestic violence, Angel was put into foster care, where she met her foster mom, Erin King.
She told me stories about how, she had been dragged by her hair by her biological dad. All of that was reported, and it really fell on deaf ears.
She lived with King in Knoxville for 2 years. Children's Services later awarded custody back to her dad.
I'm so angry about what happened to her, but I'm so thankful I got that time with her because she was really special.
Right now, a foster parent has a right to attend a court hearing. They only have a right to speak if they're invited to do so.
A new bill says after a child has been in foster care family for 9 months, the foster parent has the right to speak on the child's best interest, partly thanks to the Adoption Project. The nonprofit spearheaded 22 law changes.
It reduces the time to permanency for families. It provides more support for birth parents, including counseling services that they need. There's actually a specific bill that says the focus of the Department of Children's Services will be on the best interest of the child.
Now, back in October, a state audit of DCS showed a lack of beds, forcing children to sleep on office floors. For DCS, it was a crisis. And you can learn more about all these bills going into legislation right now on our website, WBIR.com. Robin, John.
Mary, thank you. And those laws go into effect on July 1st.